Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today I want to show you how to stretch your braiding hair. Suppose you go to the beauty shop, you want to start braiding your hair, but then you find hair that is not stretched, or maybe you prefer to buy hair which is not stretched and you want to stretch it yourself. So something like this, you see this one, this is long. So what you do, once you get your hair, you have to decide on the length of the hair you're going to use. So suppose I want to do maybe this size, I'm likely to cut it into 3. This is long actually. So if I want to do this length of braid, I'll cut this hair into 3. Okay, so for this hair I'm going to cut it into 2 because I want to do long braids. I'm going to cut it into 2. Get my scissor and cut this hair into 2 here. Oh, this is not good at all. Okay, so let's first put this aside. So how do you start stretching? So you get one end of the hair you cut, and then you start pulling little by little like this. You see that? Keep pulling until you finish the entire braiding hair that you've selected. Keep pulling it out like that. So you stretch your hair and pull it out. On the speed. See that? It's really coming out well. Notice what happens to the rest of the hair as you pull it. Okay, so keep pulling. Keep picking up little by little. You see that? I'm just gonna show this. So let's see how it looks like. So what do you do next? Get the brush. I have my brush here. So what you do, you hold your hair where you are holding from, and then comb it. Brush it. Brush it both ends. So I'm gonna brush it both ends. how it looks like. So what do you do next? Get a brush. I have my brush here. So what you do, you hold your hair where you are holding from, and then comb it. Brush it. Brush it both ends. So I'm gonna brush it both ends. Then you can just try to separate it and then put it back together. So you can try to remove some of the things that are holding it. Let's brush it again. You start braiding. My hair is tangled. My braiding hair is tangled. You'll just be able to pick it. So that's how you stretch your hair. That's how you stretch the braiding hair. It's a beautiful color. I can't wait to put it in my hair. Oh, beautiful. It's color number 350 if you want to buy it. 350. I'm done. I'm done. And now you will be ready to start braiding your hair. This hair material just stretched. So, see, suppose you're going to braid, and you just put some hair of it, like that. See, it's stretched. So use this method if you're going to buy hair which is not pre-stretched from the beauty shop, and then you go home, stretch it yourself, just as we just did. Thank you for watching. Next I'll show you how the braids will come out. I'm going to do micro on my head using this hair. Can't wait to show you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.